Guys, before today's video starts, please go down and subscribe. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be yanking this motor out. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but we're going to yank it out just so we can do all the bearings on the bottom end the more simple, easy way without having to worry about the cane member and what else. Now, you can do this inside the car with the cane member and everything. You just hoist the motor up a little bit on the crank, pop off your two nuts on your motor mounts, and the oil pan and everything clears and falls right out the bottom with the stock cane member, because you know Ford knew what they were doing. And they went off a Chevy motor, and you know that's why this works so well and perfectly. So pretty simple. 2 bolts on the back for grounds to the heads, and 4 bolts on the bell housing, 2 nuts on each of the motor mounts, and that's about it. Obviously you have your exhaust manifolds, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bolts, and they're out, and I swing them forward, and they can just toss them, set them here, and that's about it. It's really simple, you know, because bumper exit shit, nitrous car shit, you can just swing them forward or just move them out of the way in general. So I'm going to set you guys up on time lapse, yank this thing out. Shouldn't take me more than 10-15 minutes.
Ayo, Babs, this shit crazy. Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Guys, so you saw I got it out. So the motor's over here. I cleaned it out. So we have a lot more damage than we thought. The crankshaft ended up getting one of the cam rollers stuck in between it. So as you can see, it tore up the crank counterweights. Crankshaft pretty toast. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. I'm going to set you on the stand and we'll see how this goes, but it's pretty bad.
It's still turning, right?
Oh yeah, but the crankshaft is, like, you can feel this.
Yeah, but you know.
This is bad.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The crank is toast.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm done. You leaving?
And it's not just that one. It's obviously you can see the other counterweights are nicked up too. These lifters have bit us in the ass pretty badly. Sucks. All right, guys. So it's been a while later. Obviously, this is the next day. Basically, a little continuation. Got the heads all cleaned up. Oil pan all cleaned up. Got a bunch of metal out of there. Found the rest of the lifter and the roller from the lifter. Got the block here, all empty, bare block. I took the crank, took it to the machine shop. They said it is fine. Knock off some of the burrs and basically throw bearings in the motor and send it. So as you guys can see, motor does not look very pretty right now. Paint's all chipped up. I use some, well, obviously I use gasoline to clear everything off in these things. So now we are going to take a little ball hone or, well, basically a cylinder hone out all the cylinders just to clean them up. We will put the pistons in again, which I have laying over here on the ground. I haven't cleaned them yet, but you can see everything else here is clean and whatnot. Obviously, I still have to clean all the mains and whatnot. But for the main shit, block's clean, head's clean, oil pan's clean. Got a bunch of little shit left. And gonna bore this, I'll clean it. Paint it. Probably gonna paint the block black this time, wrinkle black. Just seeing how the blue gets all fucked up so much after doing shit to it. But yeah, we're gonna throw rings in it. We're gonna throw bearings in it. We're going to throw main rods and possibly piston rings. I do not know if I will or not, honestly, because I know they're gapped from either, well, for mileage, and that'd be fine to boost, and the rings look fine. But since we're already here, they're already out, might as well gap them and then, you know, gap them forward boost. And I'm probably going to pick up a cam off Facebook, another one, or off Buddy, and we'll see what happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. At least the motor's completely torn down. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys a time lapse on me tearing down the block and cleaning all this shit, but it just seemed really boring to me. Just like me sitting here talking is kind of boring. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Tomorrow or this week on Tuesday, bearings come, and we'll do another video of assembly, basically. Catch you guys later.